So, hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, ang aking gagawin sa kusina for today is I'm gonna make a siupaw for the very first time here in Germany. So, we went to all my ingredients. I went to commissary on base. And look guys, ito yung mga nabili ko dun sa loob ng base. Ayan, all-purpose flour. Meron ako dito vegetable oil. Mga ganito. Ganyan din yan. Commensal sauce. Tapos, ito yung parchment paper na gagamitin ko sa likod ng ito ba yung ginagamit? Sa likod ng siupaw o kung yan. So, ayan guys. Ayan yung mga gagamitin ko. Tapos, inilabas ko yung mixer ko na hindi ko na ginagamit nun sa US. Dinala ko dito. So, 110 siya guys. So, meron akong converter. Yan. Kasi 110. So, gagamitin ko siya to mix my dough. Tapos, dito guys, magpakulo ako ng pork kasi ang gagamitin ko sa siupaw is pork. So, we'll see guys if I make it right. Kasi, di ko alam kung hanggang ilang minutes or ilang magluto ako nito ng siupaw pero di ko alam kung ilang minutes ba ang pagpakulo o pag-steam ng siupaw. Ay, nako. Kaya, we'll see. Guys, so, ayan guys, inuna ko muna yung ano guys, yung toppings ko, yung pangsahog ko doon sa siupaw. Yan. Hiwain ko siya ng maliit. Tapos, saka na ako tsaka i-wrap ko siya guys para pag nilagay ko siya mamaya doon sa siupaw na imumold natin, hindi siya basa. Buo siya. So, after nito, paggawa ko ng toppings nito, ng siupaw guys, ilagay ko siya sa ref. Hintayin ko muna na medyo hindi siya mainit, tapos ilagay ko siya sa ref. But before that guys, na-notice ko merong mga buhok-buhok yung ano natin, yung pork natin. So, ang gagawin ko nito guys, pangkukunin ko pa yung mga ano nito guys, mga buhok-buhok ng chicken. Kunin natin yan bago hiwain. Ayan. Buhain natin ito guys ng maliliit. Yan. So guys, ayan na guys. I'm done shredded them or cut them smaller pieces. I combine the belly and the part that is meaty, you know, that's meat, steak, yeah, and the belly because I want also a little bit of fat in the meat when I make it later. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna make this is the toppings for the siupaw. So I'm gonna saute this with garlic and onion, and then add some soy sauce and some oyster sauce and some. You make it like adobo style, like a barbecue taste, sweet and a little bit tangy, but not too tangy. You put a little bit of vinegar on it, just little. So it's like an adobo but barbecue thing. So guys, Well,
But don't forget the most important ingredient. Love.
yeah, yes, correct, my
Love is
husband.
the most important ingredient.
I have the love in my heart, so no doubt for that, okay?
I don't want it in your heart. I want it in the food.
It comes with the food. It's flow from the person to the cooking.
Well, are you gonna flow it by spit?
I don't know. Okay, guys, so... Wait, what?
No, it just moves.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna saute now our toppings. So, excuse me, love. So, guys, I'm gonna put oil. I use the olive oil. Actually, when you saute, you can use any kind of oil if you like. Okay. So, obviously, hintayin muna natin na uminit siya. At ilagay natin yung ating onion. Okay. Onion. Ay, garlic pala. Garlic pala, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang laki ng paghiwa ko ng garlic. Okay lang yan. Yeah. So guys, sa ganitong ano nyo, sa ganitong timplada nyo, okay na siya. No need na ng brown sugar. Dagdagan lang natin ng smoked paprika. Ayan. O, diba? So guys, tapos pakuluan lang natin guys hanggang more maglambot yung ating pork. Lagyan natin ng tubig guys. We need to put water para pakuluan natin at palambutin more yung meat. Ayan. 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 Of course, takluban natin. Ha? So guys, pakuluan lang natin guys. Ano natin yung ating apoy, pahinaan. Kasi nasa ano naman siya. So mahinang apoy lang, no? And our next step. So our next step guys, na gagawin natin is magawa tayo ng siupaw dough. For the first time and forever, I'm gonna make. This is my first time making it. So, it's my first time to make a dough. Wow, good job. Okay. So, gagawa tayo ng dough, guys. Mga kailanganin natin. Mga kailanganin natin guys is vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, of course, sugar, at saka yung ating hefe or yung paalsa. I forgot what you call that one. Hey there, what you call this one again? For the bread. For the bread.
Yeast.
Yeast. Okay, yeast.
That's what you're talking about. Somebody say the drill is you're holding up.
We need guys 2.5 cup of milk. It's they said milk is room temperature. So 2.5 cup. So pag sinabing room temperature, hindi siya mainit, hindi siya malamig. Tama-tama lang, no? So, kinuha ko na siya sa baba. 2.5 cup. Nakikita mo, guys. Okay. 2.5 cup. And I need so another 2.5. Ayan. Yan siya. Yan. And then kailangan ko na siya. Ayan. Lagay muna natin dito guys. Kasi malamig na malamig siya guys. Lagay ko muna dyan. Tapos, 2.5 teaspoon of yeast. So, ito guys, 6 cups of all-purpose flour. 6 cups daw. Pero, huwag ubusin yung 6 cups. Yung 5 cups, ilagay nyo dito. And then, yung another 1 cup, paunti-unti nyo siya hanggang ma-reach mo lang yung consistency na gusto mo. Tsaka ang hirap din guys kasi ako lang ang i-film ng sarili ko. Fourth cup of sugar. 1/4 cup. So, ito, 1/4. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng 1/4 cup of sugar. Push. Huh? What? I'm making a siopao.
Cheerios. Need some more Cheerios?
So, 1/4 cup. Ay! Sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. So, okay. Ay! 1/4 cup of sugar. And then, 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Ayan. 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. Ayan. And then, hello, yung aking milk, ano pa, medyo, hindi pa siya room temperature. Tapos, milk, ba yan? Sana nilabas ko na kanina yung milk, guys. Malamig pa siya. The milk is still, cold. Of oil. I use, guys, I use, vegetable oil. So, check natin ang ating ang ating pangsahog sa ating siopao. Medyo matamis siya, guys. So, mamaya, dagdagan natin siya ng... Pero tama lang siya. For me, it's very good. Good combination siya. Tama lang. So, ayan. Medyo lakasan natin ng konti yung, apoy. Daddy, I have something for you. Come here.
What up?
So, I think this need a little bit salt. But, it's still gonna, anyway, it's gonna absorb anyway once the water's down. But, taste the consistency of the...
Okay, give me just a second though, because I was just eating my lunch.
Because, I'm sorry. So, because
I gotta rinse my palate.
so that it's have to be absorbed more the water. I just put water in it because this meat should be very tender.
Yeah.
So-
you just have it on low.
Yeah. I want you to taste that's my toppings for me.
Yeah, it's almost
Really
straight up
good.
like an adobo.
Yeah, so that's how it is. But
Yeah.
I think I don't need to add more salt because it's okay
No.
now.
I think
Yeah.
it'll be okay
Yeah.
as is.
Yeah.
And yeah, just keep it down 2, 3. Should be good. A little simmer.
That's my toppings. It's good. Tastes good, right?
Yeah.
Approved si sir. So, means good. So, ayan na guys. So, dahil sobrang lamig niya guys, ang ginawa ko, sobrang lamig niya ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa microwave. So, nag-balance yung init at saka lamig niya guys. So, naging room temperature siya. Ngayon, ilalagay ko na yung ating yeast, which is, ang sabi dito sa ang yeast natin ay 2.5 teaspoon of yeast. Kikita ba? Ayan. So, lagay natin yung ating 1/4 cup of oil. Tsaka, yung ating 2.5 cup of milk. Ayan. So, lagay na natin dito. Guys, I'm not good when it comes to baking. So, ito yung kahinaan ko, guys. So, lagay natin. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan na, guys. Kuha ako ng spatula. So, guys, masyado pa siyang very ano siya, no? Sticky. So, we add more of the flour. Guys, baking is, making thing is, it's very, very ano.
It's more of an art than a science. Or it's a science and an art, really. It's both.
It's very,
Messy.
messy. So, lagay natin. Then, ayan. Ayan na, guys. You see? I'm making bread. Yeah.
She's making bread though.
Bread dough.
Probably wait till the rest of the sides scrape down
I
there.
will.
Since you've done the bread baking.
And I never use it anyway when I... Okay. So far, the consistency is okay, but I had to add more flour like this. And I think that's fine. See? Wow. Okay. There you go. That's the one. That's the thing. Nice. So guys, see? You see it, guys? That's the consistency I like. This one. Yep. So. So, okay na yan, guys. So, lagay natin dito. Lagyan natin ng oil. Yan, kamayin ko na lang. Yan, kamayin na lang. Tapos maghugas sa kamay. After. Hey. Ay, guys, ano ba yan? Masyado yatang basa. Yan. Lagyan natin ng oil. Lagyan natin ng oil. Okay, so guys, this time, ang gagawin naman natin is I'm gonna make a sauce. Kasi, di ba, you open the siupaw, and then if you want your sauce, meaty sauce, to have sauce in it, and then you bite it with the sauce. So, remember earlier, I boiled the pork here earlier.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this.
Like a broth?
Yeah.
No? A pork broth?
Yeah. So, I'm gonna use this as my sauce. Yan. Yan. Di ba, I boiled the rest of the meat in this. So, that's I'm gonna make as my sauce. Guys, I never cooked this before, but I'm satisfied with my flavor because this is my favorite. I'm proud of myself, but I don't know, I'm not confident with this one. I'm not.
It should still be a little bit sticky when it goes in the bowl normally for most bread kind of things.
But it never go up.
It's gonna take hours to rise. It's gonna take a couple hours to rise.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So I put 1 hour, never rise.
It won't rise.
Hey guys, it's been a while. I never cook or make bread.
You haven't proofed your pandesal in a long time.
In a long time.
But yeah, normally it's still a little bit sticky when you put it in the bowl.
Yeah.
And then that's where you're gonna kind of break it off the bowl,
and then
it'll rise, and then you fold it and add a little bit more flour.
Yeah.
But you don't overwork the dough so it doesn't become dense and hard. You want it light and fluffy.
Light, yeah.
So that it's, you know, dusting off the skills for baking the bread.
Yeah.
So you may have to adjust. This one might flop a little, and I'll have to try again.
Hello.
You saying hi does not say come on in and jump on me. Hi, puppers. Come on.
Go to daddy. I'm cooking here because your hair.
Yeah.
Your hair here in the kitchen. Go.
Bring your hair out hard.
Okay guys, so titikman ko ito mamaya. Pakuluin na natin ng konti. Tapos maglagay na ako ng slurry. Guys, chinek ko siya uli guys. Ayan. And meron din akong pinakuluan na egg. So when I check the meat guys, malambot na siya. I-check ko din ang belly. Malambot din siya guys. So good na siya. Ngayon dahil wala akong cornstarch, meron ako ditong potato starch para sa slurry ng ating tawag dito, ng ating pang topping sa ating, or pang lagay sa ating, yung meat topping sa atin sa ating siupaw. So ayan, pwede na to guys. potato starch yung ginamit ko. Ilagay natin. Yan. Then, mix it. Para tawag dito. Naparami itong lagay ko, guys. Para ano siya. Ano ba yun? Naparaming lagay ko, guys. Hindi ko na-control. Natin kung paglagay natin ng slurry is umiba yung lasa or medyo kumulang yung alat at tamis niya. Tama lang siya, guys. Very, very good. Ayan. Then, okay na yan. Ayan. Tapos, yan. Whew! I'm happy with the outcome. So, patay na natin. Tapos palamigin natin to, guys. Ilagay natin to sa freezer. Pero syempre, bago natin lagay sa freezer, pa-cool down muna natin. Kasi gusto ko paglagay ko mamaya ito sa toppings natin. Ano siya, guys, buo. Hindi siya may sauce, masusi. Yan. Hey, Daddy, come here. So this is the taste of it.
You thicken?
Yeah, I thicken it.
Nice.
For the sugar. Good. Good taste.
Very good taste. Not too salty, nothing. Really good. Good job, Mommy.
So, ayan na, guys. Good job, Mama daw. So, ibig sabihin, masarap. So, ayan na, guys. Ayan na. Medyo okay naman yung sauce. Mas prepared ko, guys. Pag gumawa ako nitong sauce, I use not potato starch. Mas maganda yung cornstarch. Mas maganda gamitin yung cornstarch kaysa potato starch. So, okay lang yung sauce. Pero kailangan kasi meron siyang konting star anise. Wala akong buong star anise. Ang ilalagay ko excuse me, guys. Ang ilalagay ko is star anise seeds. Sasalain ko lang siya mamaya. Wala akong star anise na buo. Sasalain ko lang siya mamaya. Or kahit hindi na. Kasi maliit lang naman siya. Ayan. Masyadong marami nilagay ko, guys. Yeah. Salain ko lang siya mamaya. Ang dami kong nilagay na star anise. Na seeds. Ayan. Okay na yan. So, ayan, guys. Nilagyan ko na ng kasi matagal siyang mainit pa siya. Nilagyan ko na ng tawag dito, electric fan para hindi na siya mainit. At ilagay ko siya sa freezer doon sa labas, sa may chest freezer, para magbuo siya, guys. Ayan. Para hindi na siya mainit pag nilagay ko sa freezer. hours of raising the dough.
Proofing. That's
Or
what it's
rice,
called.
yeah. And
The dough rising.
I rice it. So this is the dough. So actually I can wait another probably 1 hour more.
Half hour.
Or half hour. But since it's already, what time is it now? I don't want to wait.
7:30, I think.
Yeah, I don't want to wait.
7 to 8 o'clock.
So it's a error, trial and error
Yeah.
thing. But it's rice. So that's my dough. And oil first now.
Yeah, you put a little oil on your hands.
Yeah.
And you're just gonna
See,
pull it off the edge.
Nice. So
And then just,
a little bit of
yeah.
so yeah, it's rice, guys. And
Yeah. Just gonna knock it down a little bit. Try not to overwork the dough so it doesn't get too dense, because otherwise the air pockets will be way too dense and it'll be like chewing a rubber tire for the shu pao.
so that's it. I need to cut it into 3 like that, or maybe 4. Guys, I don't have any more the cutting.
Yeah,
I found this
we're
one.
gonna order one for you. Get a new one. The other one got damaged,
So
tore up, and lost. Got messed up.
I put it into
Fourths.
4, you know, and you cut it probably that big, you know, like that, and then so I don't know if they rice it again.
Yeah, you're gonna once we do it once you put it in the pan, you'll let it rise.
Once I put it like this, you have to rice it for another.
Yeah, you have to let it rise. Once it's ready.
Yeah.
You have to let it proof a little bit longer
So,
before
guys,
you bake it.
He bought me this
A new rolling pin.
new See? Yay! Ganun pala yan siya, guys.
What she said.
So that's how it is, guys. And then I put normally 2 of this. Yan, tama nga, no? And then an egg. Hehe.
Nice.
Okay. So dapat daw hindi to mabasa. It's supposed to be, this one is not gonna wet because it's gonna open your dough. So
Well, as you let it proof, it should help it out too.
guys, it's my first time. I overstuffing it, guys. But hey, look
Maybe
at that.
2 smaller spoonfuls.
1.5 only. That's so cute. Look at it. Hey, look at that. My choco. I am vacation. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Story of my life.
Story of my life.
Always look at me, look at me, look at me. Center of attention.
Whatever, babe.
The star of the show, prima donna.
Fine. Okay, I tried 1.5, guys. 1.5. There you go.
Yeah, because you're putting the egg on there, which is the other filler.
Yeah.
So
ayan, guys. Pakita ko kung paano ko siya pina-fold. Ito, yan. Yan. Pakita ko, guys. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Tapos dito. 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 Tsaka dito. Yan guys, no? Tapos, i-curve ko siya. Ayan guys. Oh, diba? Hindi lang siya kagandahan, pero at least na close. Diba? Ayan. Ayan. Ay. Masyado yatang manipis guys, oh. Kasi nagbuka na siya, oh. Ito dito nagbuka na. So, masyado yatang manipis ito. Ito. Magbuka ito guys. So, ang gagawin ko, ito-close ko siya. Kasi ang dami ko yatang toppings na nalagay. Ito magbuka siya guys, oh. Guys, nabasa guys, oh. Sigurado bubuka yun guys. Ito bumuka na guys, oh. Naku, pag steam natin mamaya, buka yan. Naku, ang dami ko kasi nilagay. Na toppings. Bubuka yan guys. Ano ang problema? So, ayan na siya guys. Iba't iba yung itsura niya guys. May maliit. May medyo malaki, merong medyo looking talaga siya na siupaw, yung may ganyan-ganyan. Tapos ito guys, bubuka yan guys, I'm sure. Kasi, marami kong toppings na nilagay, kahit maliit yung, yan, bubuka yan. Ang dami kong toppings na nilagay guys. I mean toppings, tawag yan. Filling para tawag doon. At lagi akong toppings, sasabi kanina pa. Feelings pala guys. Ayan o, kahit pa paano ito ko, mukhang siupaw siya. Yan, ganyan yung aking ginawa today. So, maghintay tayo ng mga 15 minutes. Ito sigurado ako bubuka talaga ito siya. Bubuka talaga ito. May isa talaga pasaway. Mali yung pagkaano ko sa kanya. Kasi nabasa yung gilid. Yan, bubuka yun siya. Okay lang. So, ayan guys. Hintayin natin for 15 minutes. Tapos, isasalang natin doon. Ayan, sasalang natin. So, ayan guys. 4 lang yung nilagay ko para may space. Same with this one. So, para may space siya guys. So, ilagay na natin guys. May butas ito guys. So, we'll see if siya bukas siya mamaya.
Little guy.
Okay. I don't think if it's too hot enough. I don't know, but we'll see. So, yan, lagay na natin, guys. We cook it for like 2 minutes. Make it, make it 20 minutes. You can always check.
Yeah.
Yan. So, yan. Ayan, guys. Only guys. Oh
my gosh,
it's
huge.
big. I can't anticipate the so it's huge, guys. I mean huge.
They split a little bit, at least a couple bit.
Hold on, we don't know why that.
Oh, sorry, I'm trying to get the video.
Holy smoke!
They are epic. That's a meal in itself. One chupawa.
Oh, it's okay.
Might have to make your dough balls a little bit smaller.
Yeah, like this, like this.
1 spoon, yeah, that size is what you need to be making.
Yeah. So, ooh.
You want to use the spatula to make it a little bit easier to get out?
Ooh, look at that.
Well, thank God we got that thing for you to put the food in.
Haha. Let me turn it on.
Yeah, that exhaust fan is like super loud.
It didn't, ano. But hey, it's soft.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. As long as the bread rose a little bit, so as long as it cooked the dough.
Yeah, I think it's cooked. Hold on, I need more.
Now you definitely need to get you a better cooking option here in Germany. This kitchen's way too small for
Guys,
this
so
kind of
it
stuff.
means I need to adjust the size of my
Your portion size, yeah.
yeah.
So why don't you stock it back on top of this one to make it easier to get to? Oh, there you go.
Hey, guys, this is huge.
Huge.
This is extra large shu pao.
Shoo, wow.
Extra large shu pao.
Xiu bao, right? Xiu bao.
Shu pao, shu pao, shu pao. Okay, so
Oh my God, the goodness.
another batch.
This is my hand. They're like about the size of, they're bigger than a softball. They're pretty big. That's a meal. That's a meal in itself.
I'm sorry, but
There's definitely 3 max on each level.
this one size would be perfect.
Yeah.
So guys, my puto is big. Ay, my shu pao. But it's very hot. Let me open this one. Guys, look. Let me open it. Calma. Baby, calma. Let me try. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, soft. Oh, soft. Huh?
You good?
I forgot. I made sauce too. So you can like this. But without sauce, let my husband taste it.
Okay. Your daughter is supposed to be the critic of it though, because she's the one that eats it the most. It's good.
You like it?
Yeah. There's good filling and good flavor. I'm trying to be critical of it to make sure that for critiquing and stuff, since you haven't done this.
This is my first time.
I mean, the flavor for the meat is delicious. It's perfect. I'm wondering if we need to steam the dough for maybe a few more minutes.
I think
Like 18 to 20 minutes?
That's good for me.
No.
Because if you steam it more, it's gonna get mushy.
Yeah, no, that's what I was trying to chew it because I was like, is it doughy? Not really. I'm not sure. That's what I was wondering. Yeah, it's really good. Your daughter's the one that has to try it though.
Yeah.
So here, let me call her down because she's your critique. She's the shu pao baby.
Malang ako makapasok.
Okay. So here is the master shu pao critique. So
Sorry, I look like a mess.
Hold on, you're right. I have to up it for a little bit, like 18 minutes.
that's what I was thinking. Just just a couple minutes longer. Just like either 18, maybe 20 minutes
20.
at max.
20. Okay.
Check it at 18 though, just to see for the dough. You like your mom's filling? She made it like a double stop, and there's a hard-boiled egg
Yeah,
in there
and
too.
hold on.
Oh, get the little spoon in the drawer if we have one in there.
Yeah. I make a sauce also.
These are spicy.
No,
No. Add up. Oh, kalma. Baby, kalma.
It's calma.
Relax.
So what you think, kiddo? Since you're the one that's always craving siopao, I'll take she likes it, or she's just really, really hungry. Hey, pace yourself. You don't want to look like you're being recorded for posterity.
So, what do you think, Manang? Yay! Success! The first time in making it and you like it.
Oh, the fly!
But the dough, I have to steam it for like probably
just a few, yeah.
3 more minutes.
Anywhere from 18 to 20 minutes.
But this is smaller, so
The smaller one's probably going to be easier. 15 minutes will probably be good.
Yeah.
Maybe a few minutes longer on the big ones.
Okay, success. My daughter likes it.
That's your dinner, by the way. So
Yay!
I don't know how you're gonna eat. You can't fit that in your lunchbox to take to school. Your mom made some small. Your mom has some smaller ones that she's got to steam still. So
There's still more of it.
yeah. So
It's good.
what does it taste like to you?
Tastes like heaven.
Wow.
Wow. Open the door na kasi it's so hot in here.
Yeah.
Is it that hot?
Oh, kalma.
It's okay.
So how do you feel?
So, my husband has been eating it and this is his third times. But
My third time. I've only taken 3 bites. You've had like one whole. Your daughter had like a whole one. She ran off with it too. But I was saying it might go really good with like a little squirt of calamansi to put on top. A little citrus to go with that saltiness. It would be nice.
But I'm happy. I'm happy with the outcome. First time ever I made this, guys. And I'm happy. I made siopao.
Yeah.
I made siopao.
You did a good job, baby.
Thank you, guys. So guys, thank you for watching to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more updates of my videos. And guys, I'm happy because my daughter likes it. Loves it. Actually, she said it's heaven. So, big plus for me. Yay! Okay, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Mwah. Daddy, say bye.
Bye.